Hello, my name is Christopher Raffo. I'm president of Universal Business Systems. Universal Business Systems strives to be a technology partner, providing a one-vendor solution to our customers. Thank you, and I look forward to meeting you.
State-of-the-art technologies, innovative business strategies, behind the scenes, insights from cutting-edge users around the globe on World Business Review.
Welcome to World Business Review. I'm Norman Schwarzkopf. Business managers are constantly looking for ways to solve problems and improve efficiency between departments. Joining us today is Christopher Raffo, President of Universal Business Systems Incorporated. Welcome, Chris.
Thank you for having me, General.
Also joining our discussion today is Jordan Goodman, our in-studio correspondent. Jordan, it's always great to have you. Welcome.
Nice to be with you again, General. Chris, tell me about the challenges that business owners have in general in trying to pick the kind of software they need to run their businesses.
Well, the key to a business owner trying to pick a software solution is to make a match for their business requirements and to meet those requirements effectively and efficiently and find the right software to meet the overall goals of that business. That's not so easy, and being industry specific sometimes helps that in an effort to meet those challenges of every business, because every business is unique.
What is Universal Business Systems offering to help manage a business efficiently?
We provide a whole suite of software from purchasing, order entry, invoicing, inventory control, accounts payable, general ledger, financials, warehouse management, Salesforce automation, and also internet products for customer to place orders and service themselves over the internet.
For more, let's go to this World Business Review field report.
Many businesses today operate core functions using a variety of different software packages, losing key functionality between the applications. Incorporating powerful tools with a wide range of features, Universal Business Systems Papermaster is a complete enterprise resource planning distribution management solution.
The Papermaster software from UBS has helped our billing process and significantly reduced it. It's made it more efficient, more accurate. It's taken a process that was 5 or 6 hours to a day down to half an hour.
Customization is integral in the process, ensuring ROI is realized sooner rather than later.
The cost saving has been tremendous. In addition to being able to eliminate an employee, we've also been able to experience tremendous growth over the years without having to add any additional employees.
Incorporating document delivery, which utilizes email and fax capabilities, normal labor and cost-intensive processes are eliminated.
It's made the whole process a lot more efficient. We no longer mail out the majority of our invoices. It goes out by either fax or email. Fax is like 5 cents, email's free. Additionally, when we have a problem with an invoice, we don't lose any invoices or anything like that because it's all attached to a customer file. Additionally, when we have customers on the phone and they're asking us who signed for a product, we can pull it up right then and there. We can email it right over to them, fax it right over to them. I mean, it's just, everything happens in real time. There's no calling people back, I gotta look the invoice up and all that fun stuff. So it's been tremendous, it really has.
For World Business Review, I'm Jamie Mahler reporting.
Chris, really, what is the key service that you're offering to your customers?
The key service is providing a software solution that's industry specific to the paper industry. People that understand that industry, both from an implementation standpoint and from a technical standpoint, and a longevity of being a family company and somebody that cares about people as far as the companies that we deal with, because we primarily deal with a lot of family companies. We take our job very seriously, and we're committed to a specific industry to provide the best solution to meet the challenges of that business.
What else makes you unique from your competitors?
Well, a couple things that make us unique in that we are industry specific, so all the enhancements going into the package are industry specific to solve the business problems. We also do a lot of research and development for cutting edge technology to bring new enhancements to our customers to make them more efficient. We also will do customized programming that will tailor the application specifically to a business person's requirements or business requirements to better fit them in their target market. We sell nationally, and it's a big country, and when you go to different regions of the country, businesses are handled differently. So we'll target those different areas with specific customized requirements for those businesses, integrate those into the application, and when a next release comes in, we'll retrofit and bring them forward for that customer. So not only will they have the enhancements of a new release, but they'll also have the ability to bring along the customization that made them unique in their marketplace.
Why is it important to specialize in a particular industry?
It's hard to be all things to all people. If you specialize in a specific industry, you get to understand that business, you get to meet with people who are only in that business. We have a user group meeting that is just paper, industrial, Jansan, process manufacturing companies. So therefore, all the information that they're giving us and the feedback that they're giving us is being provided better solution to manage their business and make them more productive. If you try to do everything for everybody, your solution really gets watered down, and you really don't hit the mark.
How does your technology specifically help people in the paper industry? What are some of the specific problems that the paper people have that your technology helps them with?
Well, you deal with a product that has multiple units of measure. So you're dealing with products that can come in skids, cases, and then they break cases, and they have different products that they move out. A lot of our customers do small orders because that's a niche that some of the bigger organizations won't do, and therefore that's their marketplace. You also have the ability to handle what they call rebates. And you talk to some of our competitors, they don't even know what a rebate is. A rebate is a supported cost for specific types of business. And what that does, it enables our customers to go in at a specific price, but they're getting a rebate back from the vendor to do that specific business. That actually is one of the key areas where our customers make money on those supported costs, and we handle that very effectively. Additionally, the implementation of understanding what a customer buys. In our industry, or the paper industry, a lot of customers buy the same products over and over. So therefore, they need to know what prices they're paying, what they bought, so customer service can take orders quickly and effectively. So just those are a few of the nuances that make our application more industry specific.
You've been saying that you have a lot of family-oriented companies and kind of smaller companies in your particular business, in the paper business. What are some of the things that you can offer as a small company yourself that some larger software house really couldn't offer?
Well, first of all, we're talking owner to owner. And that's key because our owners like the fact that they can talk to an owner, not that they talk to me every day, but they can contact us. Second of all, we're committed in a family type concept to our customers because they're really an extension of our family. And we care about them and they're important to us. So therefore, what we do with our customers is we become their technology partner and providing not just the software and the applications, but their technology partner in what's happening around their network and their whole business and what their business plans. We spend a lot of time with our customers analyzing what they're going to do in the future to meet those challenges of the future so that we can help them grow. And if they succeed, we're going to succeed. It's not a cookie cutter type approach. It's more a personalized approach, it's individual attention, and a great degree of customer support and service.
I'll talk about the paperless office and how, even though you're in the paper business, how they want to have less paper, I guess, around their office. How do the solutions you offer help cut down paper used in the office?
Well, we've integrated image processing into the application. Now, scanning and image processing is not a new technology, but how you apply that technology to the software solution of the business is key. And what happens is when you take the image of, let's say, the proof of delivery and you integrate that into your actual application, the customer service person or the customer over the web just goes to one place, sees the invoice, and sees the proof of delivery. We also scan in customer information for, let's say, resale certificates, product information, accounts payable, vendor invoices, all at the fingertips, all integrated to where a person who's using the application needs to have that information. Then we also can take that image processing solution or the scanned images and provide that information to customers over the web so they can service themselves. Because what happens is customers call in, they want maybe a customer service person to ask what's this bill or who signed for this, they can do that right over the web. What
causes your customers to want to change or upgrade their systems?
Well, a lot of emotion goes into that because it's a big project to change computer systems for a business. Normally what happens is the vendor's not keeping up on technology, so therefore the customer feels they're not going to be able to compete in the marketplace. Second of all, their service levels have deteriorated because they've been bought by another company. Acquisition has been very rampant in my industry, and that's one of the things that we feel we can bring to our customers, where other software companies are part of a bigger organization, and therefore numbers are more important, quotas are more important, that kind of thing, and they lose that personal touch, that the reason the customer went to them in the first place. That all combined, provided with the ability to constantly update your customers and keep them state-of-the-art, is key in retaining those customers.
Talk about offering a one-vendor solution. What does that mean as far as what you can offer compared to what others might be able to offer?
Well, the key thing with that is a lot of companies try to specialize in just one thing, and that's all they do, and there's a problem at the customer site and they say, well, that's not my problem. We don't do that. In trying to be a technology partner and providing a one-vendor solution for our customers, not only do we do the software and the whole suite of software and the applications, but we also know networking and operating system and wide area networks. We have all that experience within our organization. So when there's a problem, they call us. We're a single source for every single problem that happens within that organization revolving around technology. Then if we need to bring in a third party, or we're dealing with a third party, we communicate to that third party, work with that third party to solve that problem. That's key for a business owner, because he feels he can just call one number, take care of it, and he doesn't have to worry about it. He runs his business and has the system run his business. And there's no finger pointing, and our customers love that type of approach.
Service and support is always important. You install the systems, but then you're servicing it afterwards. How is that different from what your competitors are offering?
Well, first of all, service and support, you're always talking to a person. When you call in, you get somebody on the help desk. You're not talking to a computer or doing an email and putting in a problem, and then somebody calls you back, or you're not dealing with some other part of the world. You call a person. Most of that time, that person knows exactly what the problem is, can direct that call to the appropriate person to handle that. Additionally, one of the nice things about Universal Business Systems is our average employee has been with us 14 years. So there's a tremendous amount of continuity that's taking place within our organization. The same person who installed the system, or the same person that was there when they implemented the system, is the same person that's working for Universal Business Systems. And we pride ourselves on that, because we feel in the technology industry that's that's not common. We pride ourselves on that because of the family approach and how we treat not only our employees but also our customers.
Well, what advantages are there to automating the warehouse of your customers in the distribution business?
Well, there's tremendous advantages in automating the warehouse. And when we say automating the warehouse, we use a technology called radio frequency, which is no more than scanning a barcode like you see at the grocery store. What happens is product comes in the door, it gets scanned in, it gets put away in locations, it gets picked out of locations, it gets moved from different locations, and everything's done electronically, so it manages that inventory very accurately. A case point with the case study that we had just before, H.T. Berry put in the radio frequency scanning technology, and they had a 40,000 square foot warehouse. When they implemented that, they actually doubled the capacity of the 40,000. They could handle twice as much product through that as if it was an 80,000 square foot warehouse without expanding the warehouse.
What kind of Salesforce automation tools do you offer to your customers?
Well, the Salesforce automation tools are key, because what the salesmen need to do, or salespeople need to do, is access information quickly and accurately. With the internet, we provide a product called Sales Pro Dashboard, which is a completely web-based application. All the salesperson has to do is turn on his laptop, they can get a Verizon wireless card or wireless card, access the internet, and through a web-based application they can look at their orders, their invoices, their accounts receivable, place orders, place quotes, and they can manage all their business just for that specific salesman, all online real time. Inventory is online real time, all the open orders are online real time, all the invoicing is online real time, which is the key. We're not updating and downloading data from each different device or database, and it's all current. And the salesmen love it because they can be anywhere in the country or anywhere in their territory and access that information in a very user-friendly environment. We also have a PDA with the small type device, which is limited but can place orders and download information and so forth, which is uploading and downloading data. But because the device is so small, you can't see the entire screen. And then we also have remote salesman laptops where they can upload and download. But the web is really where everything's going.
In addition to tracking sales, what other kinds of internet products are you using to help your customers?
Well, a big area for our customers is online order entry and allowing our customer to place orders over the internet, providing shopping carts, providing browsing to look at products, providing the ability to have budgets, to have general ledger information, and to have approvals for orders that need approval before they go to the customer. So our customer can get on the system, place an order, see everything that they buy, go in, place that order, it needs to get approved, it gets approved, it comes seamlessly into our customer's system, right into Papermaster, and generates an order and gets shipped to our customer, or their customer. Additionally, what happens is you want the customer to be able to service them over the net, because you don't want all these phone calls coming in for questions that can be answered over the internet. So we call that IRM, Internet Relationship Management, where that customer can get on the system, the web, click on their invoices, see the invoice, click on it, see the proof of delivery that we saw, see their usages, how much of the product in dollars they're using, see their open orders if I'm going to get that delivery tomorrow, and basically help answer those questions that customer service. And as our customers grow, that's tremendous because they don't have to add more people to handle those phone calls.
Let's talk about R&D a little bit. You're constantly having to upgrade and improve your systems. What kind of R&D are you doing, and how do you involve your customers in the R&D process?
Well, the key thing is our customers rely on us to provide the technology R&D. What's out there in the marketplace? How does the new technology fit in? What makes sense for them economically, both and also from a productivity and efficiency standpoint? And then we rely on them to tell us their business problems. So we have user groups that we get all our customers together and we talk about their problems. We also have regional user groups, and we also talk to them on a daily basis. So we're getting feedback on how to improve Papermaster and how to solve their business problems, and tie that into the latest technologies like the web, like the radio frequency or the scanning, or the image processing, and how those meld together. And that provides the cohesiveness of a solution for our customers.
What's the impact of implementing your system on the customer's bottom line?
In our industry, we kind of really affect a couple different areas in the paper and Jansan industry. Is in purchasing. We have a very nice purchasing system which helps them improve their purchasing. Inventory turns, where they're turning their inventory over and reducing their inventory so they don't have to go borrow as much money, obviously, to support that inventory. And then increase efficiencies within the warehouse and within the operation itself, just streamlining procedures and operations. That is the key area where we can help our customers improve their bottom line, increase their gross margin and their gross trading margins.
Well, what do you see that the future holds for your business?
We're excited about the future. We're very excited about the future. Where Papermaster is going to the web, we believe the web is where the future is in technology, and the webinization of Papermaster will bring a far better user experience to the customer, and also enable them to do a lot of different things. We have a tremendous group of people within our organization that are excited about the future of the technology, and also a great customer base that support us and are wanting to work with us to make us better so we can make them better. So the future of Universal is very exciting, and we anticipate significant growth over the next 3 years.
Well, Chris, thank you very much for being here today and really giving us insight into the excitement of your business.
Well, thank you for having me. I appreciate it, General.
And Jordan, as always, thank you for being here. You're always welcome.
Thanks so much, General. Nice to be with you.
And thank you for watching. Until next time, for World Business Review, I'm Norman Schwarzkopf.